Okay, on this property we have a homeowner who has experienced a lot of pooling over here by the front deck in this corner. Water coming in off of the top and coming down and kind of wading up against the home. This is all very level. Across here there's a good amount of fall past the house. We're about a foot or so worth of fall going down to the back there, but there's really no way for us to move this water that direction, and I'll show you here in just a little bit. So our solution for this property is we want to tie in this downspout, and we want to put a catch basin right over here in this corner, make sure it's nice and recessed, and tie in this downspout. We'll put in a French drain along the length, and they'll have open gravel coming across it and all the way across this side of the house. We'll tie all of those systems in, and we're going to dig under this root, under this sidewalk. It's a very thin sidewalk. It's kind of a slab, a couple inches thick, I think, a few inches thick, and we're just going to run that line through here. We're going to dig under this sidewalk, and we're going to put a pop-up right here, and from this spot to where that catch basin is going to be around the corner, there's a foot of fall. I prefer more, but because this is so steep coming off this way, I think that water is going to have plenty of space to move. This area right here, we're going to have to remove these shrubs and get them out of here. We'll rake back all the pine straw in these areas so we can do all of our trenching. This area right here, once we get past, this is very flat, kind of bowls. This is kind of a bowl area. We would have to run this pipe all the way around the deck and contest with massive roots from each of these trees. Massive root systems. They've raised the ground, they're above the ground. They're very, very, very thick, and it would take a considerable amount of labor just to move past here, just to get to a low point where we could terminate that line of water. This is the area on the other side of the deck that I was talking about, where the root systems here have overgrown and raised the ground. There would just be a lot here to contest with. We do have some compromised pipes from old drainage, but from that side of the house, it would just pool. If we terminated right here, it would all just pool right here. But we would have quite a bit we'd have to do to cut through all of this. You can see even the deck is kind of constructed around these root systems back here.